Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Nails in Orbit. As you can see, my twin sister is here and we have a fun one today. So we already did the base. I show you guys how to do the base in the Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse episode, so I just left that out. And then now we are going to be using pigments to create like an aura spray paint background for this set. So here I did it kind of wrong and I wanted to keep it in, but this has no base coat, so it's not like that sticky, and I really wanted the neon colors to pop this time. So I put base coat right on top and then I put the colors on top, which I don't usually do. Most of the time I put matte down and then I put the pigments because it's a little less intense, because I don't always want neon, but in this case I wanted neon, I wanted bright, I wanted everything crazy. So I will continue to show you guys how to do that, and I'll talk about why we're doing that. So I'll pop up the inspo my sister created for me. Sometimes she draws it, sometimes this time she just used inspo pictures from directly from the movie to create a set that she wanted, but this gives me an idea of like overall aesthetic, which character she wants to show, stuff like that. So I'm happy she did that, and it's just my job to figure out how to do it. We did clear nails with the newspaper base, and we wanted the clear nails because we wanted to show like the mess ups in the newspaper. If you don't want the mess ups to show, because when you use foil sometimes there's mess ups, I use a white base, and that's what I did for the Mickey Mouse nails. And so we used a clear one to like kind of make it look messy, kind of like graffiti-y, and then we are putting the pigment on top of that to look like spray paint. So that was the goal, like wheat paste newspaper background, and then the pigment for the spray paint look. So that's what we're doing now. I just use a really like messy brush that I have. Like the messier the better, honestly. Like the more like, I don't know, used the eyeshadow brush, I kind of just like throw it into the paper, put a lot of bit of pigment on my brush, and then tap it onto my paper towel, and then there you go. And this is an easy way to make like aura nails, or like just throw it on here like spray paint and stuff like that. So that's what we got here, and we're just gonna finish it up. We did pink, blue, and yellow, and then I will let you guys watch the rest of that. Okay, so as you guys know, I love using matte top coat to go under my drawings when I draw, and also newspaper. I really like it with matte. We end up doing shiny because that's what she likes, but newspaper with matte, great. I love it. So now we are throwing matte on top of everything, and then we will start drawing our Spider Punk. See how fun the matte looks? I feel like the colors with the newspaper kind of look like the foil, like it was just one foil, like we didn't even add anything to it. Like it looks like it's meant to be like that, which I love. So now we are starting off. We're of course using our double trouble brush, double-sided, has the cleaner and blender on the other side, and we'll use the twice as nice as well. So anyway, we're gonna start. We're doing Spider Punk, so I wanted to make sure I got all of the mohawk, all of the spiky mohawk, his head, and the top of his body, because I wanted to show the leather jacket, all that stuff. And she had the picture that she wanted in the inspo, and I wanted to make sure I got like all the details, so I was making him very small. So that's what we're doing, and I'm just taking my time to make sure the profile is correct. I like the shape, and then I move on to the shirt, and you guys will see I just go on with all these details. It was a very fun set. I usually am extra and fill up every single nail with like drawings, so it was kind of fun to do the other nails with that like abstract spray paint art. But I'm really excited about this set. I love it. I did this one a while ago. I don't know if you guys can tell by my nails, but I'm finally getting around to editing it. So I hope you guys love this one too. This brush was perfect for this. Like, oh, I love it. Look how spiky and nice these mohawk points are. I love it. Don't forget to use code ORBIT if you want to save some money. Ooh. And just so you guys know, today in this video I'm using the Nails by Dev liner gels, like the primary collection. I just used the red and the blue from that, and the black and white, of course. So that was the main colors. Spider-Man, he's very simple with his colors, so very easy peasy. Some of the fun in this type of like artwork that Spider Punk is in is like, I didn't have to be perfect at all with these little details, but you still get like the gist of like a spiky tattered like leather jacket, which was kind of fun. So I was just throwing my line work on there, throwing a little distress, little stuff like that, and yeah, I feel like it came out perfect. And plus it's so small, so it's okay to not be perfect on little details like that. So here in order to get some shading but without losing the white lines, oh, the clip's over. I'm sorry, but I use Dump Him, which is a red jelly from the Nails by Dev and Ball Pit collab on the nailsbydev.com. So that's what I use for that shading. That's an easy way to shade without messing up your line work. And now we're just going around using, this is just a bright yellow D&D color to outline him. Just a little, I want it to look just like get like a little pop of color. It's in the inspo Shelly sent or made, so just a little pop of color around him, just make him pop even more on top of that blue background. And that's Spider Punk all done. And we're top coating with a shiny top coat because that is what my sister prefers. And now we're going on to this like I think Spider Punk logo. I need to look this up. I'm sorry, I'm uneducated. But she told me to watch this before I posted this video, and I still haven't watched it. And she absolutely loved it. And I heard it had like 3 different endings. Let me know. I mean, nobody spoil it for me because I'm still gonna watch it. But if I get it spoiled for myself, you know, tough luck, Gabby. You should have watched it. This logo was so fun because it was so messy. So you're really just like throwing your brush around getting this drawing, and it looks super good in the end. So it's really just, that's why it was so fun about this set, because it was like a spray paint graffiti looking set. So I was just throwing it on there. And then you guys will see I'll make like little spray paint splatters and drips and stuff like that in the end. And I think it looks really nice, and I absolutely love this set. And I love that she comes in and wants to do shorter nails. She keeps getting them longer and longer too, which is hilarious because I'm like, I knew you would, girl. And she actually practiced doing it herself. So the set she has on currently, which is just like, I told her what Gel X stuff to get. I just did like a list of like all the dupes and stuff, so she didn't have to spend too much money. But she did them herself, so I'm proud of my sister because she lives far away from me, so I can't do her nails all the time. Like it's a drive for her, so it's fine whenever she wants to do them herself. Watch her be better than me one day. Just kidding. She would never. She does not like doing nails, but it's okay. So this is the last that I did on her. I really want to do, I think, Billy and Mandy on her, so hopefully she comes soon. Otherwise I'm gonna have to do it myself on my practice hand. I can't wait for you, girl. And that is this set all done. I love it so much. I love using the pigment. It's just so much fun. I wanted to show you guys top coating some of the nails because it's just so beautiful. And then here is the reveal. Ooh, she loved them. I love this length on her. I'm happy she got them a little bit longer. And look at them. Oh. So I hope you guys loved this video. I had to do a little short one compared to the last hour-long one earlier this week. So I hope you guys loved this video. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, if you want those brushes or the Wicked Nails collection that just came out, use code ORBIT at checkout to save, okay? See you guys next time.